So you're gonna ask me where is the fuse box on 2008 Nissan Versa? So you're looking at the battery right in front of you. That's the engine. So that's the battery. That's the air filter. That is the fuse box. Okay, you're gonna need to know where is it at. There's a button, the clip on both sides. You just need to undo one. It'll pop right out. That's where it's it at. So that's the horn, the relay. Okay, it's right there. That's the horn, and that's the relay lamp. I mean, red lamp, the blue one. And those are the fuses. 10 amp. Everything is in there. You need to know this, guys. If something pop, this is the first one you check. The fuse. Make sure they are not burnt out. Let's go. Right there.